so we came up top to come outside and check everything out. There's a lot of ships in here. There's a Disney, got a Princess. We got another Celebrity. That might be Rotterdam. The captain told us that there is traffic issues getting out of the port, so we're not going to leave till 7:30. That one back there, that is, Elena just pointed out.
One of their newer ones.
Yeah, that's
Celebrity
Excel. Got that orange, you see that orange thing on the side? That's what they call their magic carpet.
Yep.
It's just a bar that just moves up and down. It's the sunset getting ready to happen. This is what they call their lawn club. They got that's a glass blowing thing over there. Yeah, they do glass blowing presentations.
No, you can actually do it yourself.
Oh, you can do it yourself?
Yeah, they do a class and you actually do your own hand-blown glass figurine, whatever. You pick whatever one you want to do. And you actually do it.
Wow, that's kind of cool. Oh, you pay, well,
yeah,
of course.
It's like an excursion, you pay for it.
Oh, okay.
You got it? Happy with that shape? All right, so now we just have to get it off the pipe.
All right, let's keep walking. We'll keep walking around back here to the back of the ship. This is a nice, real nice area out here. Got some greenery. It's kind of cool. And got a bar. And we're near an airport. So, and into the sun he goes. This is a sunset bar. So we came out to this little deck right here. This is on deck 12. At the front, you have to go through the spa and the gym to be able to get out here. We actually saw this on a YouTube video. Somebody said it was a great place to come out for sail away. One of their newer ships, Excel. We've got a helicopter pad down there. Disney. All the ships are starting to turn their lights on, which makes them look really pretty. What do you think, Alina? Good looking place?
Yeah. Fort Lauderdale's a nice port.
Fort Lauderdale is very nice.
Florida. So anything in Florida is going to be pretty cool.
There you go. I would have to agree.
But it's 5:35 and we are not due to leave until 7:30. So we have a little while to go before we leave.
Yep. All right. Well, we walked from one end of the ship to the other. If we see something interesting in the middle, then we'll hit that record and we'll tell you about it. Yep. But for now, peace out. This is the Mast Grill. It's their burgers. Yeah. Everybody's got to have a burger place. Yep. This is theirs. I think we had one last time. It was okay. All right, we're going to work our way to the front of the ship.
So we are on Celebrity Eclipse, and it looks like the celebrations for the sail away party have started. All right. Here we go, getting some ice cream before lunch. 1 chocolate and 1 strawberry. Look at that, loaded on there. Yay! Thank you.
Welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Look at that. Let's go enjoy. Uh-oh. About dropped it. What's the timing?
All right, we're in the buffet. Of course, it's about 12:30 or so, so it's crowded. They're making pizza. And plenty of pizza. Salad, pastas. Look, big old pastas. Come around, have plenty of places to eat. Of course, you got a bar. Beverages. Chef Daily Specials. We got some cottage pie. Well, it's gone actually. They got all kinds of stuff in here. That's that big cottage pie. I don't know what it is, but it's huge. Look at that big piece of meat. That is one hunk of cow right there. I'm telling you. Goodness gracious, that's a big old piece of meat. Over here, they got the Indian section. I believe that's what that is. Desserts over there. We got some sandwiches over here. Yep. Plenty of sandwiches. It's always a big station there. You can make you a little sandwich. I have to admit, I'm coming on a cruise ship. I'm not eating a sandwich. All right, got some desserts. Oh yeah.
What are you getting?
And like I said, it's right at lunchtime, so it's crowded. You know, got the drinks, more desserts, more desserts. That's a salad station. I guess maybe I'll find a salad before this cruise is over. Got some Mexican, looks like. Steak, baked potato, mashed potatoes and gravy, rice and gravy. Some more Indian. Asian. Stir fry. That's more Caesar salad station. What we got up here? It says kids corner, but looks like regular old food to me. Kids corner. But I think it's just regular stuff. Look, some roasted vegetables. Those actually look really good. Those peppers, man, they look great. And some more vegetables. Oh, this is the vegetarian section. And this is vegan. There you go. We got that. Pizzas. We walked past the ice cream place, and I didn't film it, but you can guess it looks great. Got some salads. All kinds of salads. Little cheese, meat and cheese. Yep, lots of meat and cheese. Hey, that's this side. There may be something on the other side. Let me go find out. We'll just keep walking. You walk with me. Hopefully I don't make you dizzy. And actually, I don't think there's anything on the other side because that's where we came in, I believe. Then again, maybe it's not. Salads. This just may be more places to sit. We're still getting oriented. located. Yeah, this is more places to sit. There's some outdoor seating out there and another beverage station. All right, I think that's it. Got a little band playing in the... All right, this is they call it the Grand Foyer. I think they call it foyer. It's got a dance floor, some seating down below on either side. This is a really popular bar area, as you can tell. Another bar over there, they call it the Cellar Masters. I think that's their wine bar. This is on the other side of that grand foyer. You can see the band setting up, and there's the staircase. Looking up, you look up to the elevators. Not really that impressive right now. When they decorate for Christmas, it'll be pretty. I think I found my spot. I believe this is like self-serve, I think, maybe. I'm hoping that's some self-serve Macallan 18. Macallan, man, this is some good looking stuff here. Heck yeah. Yeah. Okay, so these bottles are open and they have glasses. Does that mean that I can just pour myself a Macallan 18?
I don't think that's what it means.
Alina doesn't think that's what it means. Looks pretty inviting to me. I don't see any signs that says I can't. Guess I better leave it alone.
Look at these bottles. They're so cool.
And the dining room. This is called the Moonlight Sonata. And right now, everybody's lined up, starting to line up to get ready to go, because they should open up pretty soon. And it is dinner time. All right, this is the casino on Celebrity Eclipse. As you can see, it's not huge. All your table games down through the middle. It's the standard stuff. Blackjack tables, a couple of roulette tables, one craps table, and all of the blackjacks are a variety of minimums. Of course, they have slots. Looking like they got most of the normal slots. It's closed now because we haven't left port yet. They got a double chili mania. I have seen people play this, watching it on YouTube, and the bonuses are really good if you can get one. There's a roulette table, and on this ship, on this roulette table, they have 2 zeros. Some of them have 3, but this one has 2. Okay, they got the craps table. We got more blackjack table, $15 minimum. Some of these are not just blackjack, by the way. Some of them are 3-card poker. Yeah, that's the machine that always gives money. Every time. As long as you got some money to get. Cashier, don't see that very often. All right, that is the casino. Yeah, no? Let's look at the craps table. For those craps table players. All right, this is a regular craps table. It is not crapless. They have the normal bet. For the bonus bet, they're rocking the old fire bet. So, not bad. All right, that's the casino. We may wind up in here later. You never know. We'll see. I don't know how much we're gonna hit it. But there you go.